back to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today me and Leon are going to be playing game because we play too much Adopt Me and play too much Among Us. Hi Leon!
Hi.
Leon, you know how to play?
How do I do this?
Oh, you have the red color, just put the red color. Oh yeah. Who is the fast of the card is, it's like I only have the last card. And I put the last card, it means I'm going to be win. Wow, this guy just win the 231 wins. I only win one time. Oh my god. They actually, I think.
Who's the winner? Who is the winner? I didn't win anything. Because I don't know how to play, I didn't win anything.
Okay. I'm only 2 left. Oh no, I have to get a card. Yes.
Oh, come on!
Oh, come on. Please, God.
Oh, come on! Let's just give me turn now.
Yes, I win the game!
No! I don't even know how to play. Homie, I don't even know how to play.
Oh my god, I get 200 cheese though.
I don't know how to play.
Oh my god, I just win the game nearly. Kim Chin, come here. Come here. Come here. We're going to be start the game. Goodbye. You come too late.
I don't know how to play.
You can play next time. You can play with another person first. Yeah, you can wait. You can wait for me. Oh my god, my card is so lot. Oh, they skip me.
How do I go?
Oh yeah, I'll choose this. Okay. Oh, he have it. No. Yes. No! The boy is going to be win the game. Oh no. No. He has only 1 card left. Oh no! He win the game! Okay, the game is actually so fast. Okay, now you can play with us.
No, I don't even know how to play, so no.
Come on! Don't wasting my time. Come to play here. Here. Guys, join my game. We need only 1 more person left to join our game. Wait.
I don't know how to play. How can I
We
win?
can play only 2 of us. It's going to be so fun.
You're gonna
Okay,
win.
start.
I know you're gonna win.
No, don't say that. You can win too. Oh my god. Goodbye to you. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, so man. 0 points. Oh my god. Put the color that I like. Oh no. Ooh, you will see what happened, Jing.
I'm only winning 0. I'm in 0 right now.
Yeah. I'm glad you have it. You have 1 more again? Yeah. No, God.
I dropped out of jail. Come on.
Oh man, this is hard. No, why we just don't have all the cards? Please have yellow. Oh yeah. Why only get?
I don't know how to play.
Oh gosh, man. You have it? Wait, you just did give me 2 more cards?
No.
Yes, you did.
My card has a lot and you only have 4.
Yeah. This time is so hard. You have one more? Oh gosh, man. Aww, it was my chance. But I lost the chance. Yeah. It's real, it's only one life. Wow. Yes, finally. Do you have any blue? Okay, so we actually play another round because the round is so long. Kim, Lot,
What?
where are you? The game's going to start. Come right now. Come here. Here, you see me? Here. Come on. Yeah. Here.
I don't
Yeah.
know how to play. Oh my god, we all girl. Oh my god.
Wow, it's a girl teammate. Oh my god.
Okay.
My turn of the color of power of
Oh,
friendship.
I don't have any green. Oh, I draw 2 cards.
It's so fun to play with them.
Nope, I am good.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Oh my god, she win 11 times to me.
Yeah?
She win 11 times.
Oh. You have a 12 card. Oh god.
I have 2 plus cards 3.
What the heck? How many blue I am?
Good.
No, this is not good. Oh, this skip me. God. Come on, man. You have any blue? Yes, you are. Everyone put a lot of... I have a lot of blue. I just want to put that I have a lot of blue. Yeah. Wow. You have yellow?
No, I don't.
Oh, just get. Oh, what color? Yeah, I have it. Look at the yellow hair girl. She's going to be win the game soon. Don't let her win the game.
Yellow. I don't have any yellow at all.
Oh gosh, just. Oh
I don't have any yellow at all. I just. Oh my gosh. I don't
Gosh.
have any yellow right now.
Hey, don't talk like that. Then we're going to be no. Oh, skip me. Oh gosh.
I don't have any green right now. Oh gosh, I'm out of color. I only have okay.
I have green.
I enjoy my car because my car has green leaf. Okay.
We are twice of twice is 3.
How to put it?
Yeah, I'm only 2 left. Gosh. I have to get a card.
Relax.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Dang. Oh no! What the heck? Gosh. No. God. Oh man, I don't have a card. Oh. But she get only 20 chips. And you know that I got 200 chips because she played in the easy
She
mode.
win like 11 times. She win 11. She win 11 times.
Shall we play one more round?
Yeah, sure.
Come here, guys. Yeah. We can
So
play.
let's win. I don't know. She win how
Oh my god, they come again.
Again.
Girls again. But this time I won't be like that time. Oh my god, this skip me.
I don't have any green card. Oh my gosh. I don't have any green card.
Oh gosh.
I don't have any green card, you know. Oh no, not the green one.
Bye bye,
I
kid.
got 2 cards. Someone just.
Me. It's me.
Okay, thanks.
I don't know why it's super duper evil, but anyways. Oh my god, this time the red hair girl will win maybe. Oh, I'm sad that it was reversed.
I don't have any blue card right now. Green, I don't have either. So yeah.
I have green.
Ooh, wow, yellow, yeah, yellow. That's what I need.
Yeah, put it. I'll put this. No, show me has the last card. Oh no. Wow.
Oh, again, she has it.
I'm skipping to the chicken. Oh, she win again. So funny. Oh god, but she get only 20 chips.
Oh my gosh.
We play here. If we play, we get 200 chips. Okay, we get 200.
No, please don't. Oh my gosh, I'm so not good at it.
Yeah. Now we're in the 2 boys and the 2 girls. Oh my god, this time my car is so cool. This time, I'm just realized.
I'm not good at this game at all.
Oh gosh,
Oh,
come on.
okay.
Please. Oh man, it's sucked. I have green.
Oh, mẹ nó kêu win rồi và khoai môi thái em không?
Yeah, I know. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous about this. I give him more cards. It's okay. It's my turn of blue.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting.
Yes, I have it. Oh my god, I have 2 cards left. God. Leon. Shh, 잠깐만요. God, Leon, no. Get my card. Oh. Goodbye, Kim Chian. Bye, Leon. Put blue. Put blue. Oh.
I don't have blue.
Put blue, please. I need blue so much. Oh. What the I hate my life.
Thailand, my mother is here.
I only get blue card. This is serious. I hate my life. It's only 0. No, my card is go up and up. I think he's going to be win the game. Look. Oh, it's so sad. It's so sad on me, you know. Oh gosh, reserve to your life.
I don't have.
Yes, I win the game. Oh gosh, oh my god, there we
I
go.
got 18 coins.
I get 200 chips again. Oh my god. Okay, what do you guys think of our video today? If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. So we'll see. Bye.